Hi and welcome back to Too Much Stuff. I haven't done a video in a while because I haven't been able to afford too much stuff, so haven't bought too much stuff. But anyway, I went to Manchester Comic Con in July and stumbled across the A-box from abox.com. Now these seem to be pretty decent boxes, so I picked up the Alien Covenant box, which is behind me. And that came with an interesting surprise. So this is the box for the Alien Facehugger posable replica. But everything's okay now, and I subscribed to their box, and the second one the first one of my order came, which was the stealth box, and here it is. So let's have a look at what we've got. So, first up, Destiny 2 decal. This is of Cade 6. I won't be picking Destiny 2 up because I didn't really like Destiny, to be honest. Too much grinding for my liking. Second thing we've got, an Alien Covenant phone card holder. It's quite rubbery. It's obviously a little pocket, and it's got sticky stuff on the back. So I won't be using it for a phone card because I haven't got a phone card, but I'm sure I will find a use for it or something else. Next up, a Star Wars Millennium Falcon pouch sandwich shaper. You put something in the microwave, which I haven't got, and then you put that, take it out. Oh, no. I don't know. Heat 2 pieces of bread for 15 to 20 seconds. Place the lower attachment part inside the sandwich shaper case. Insert one piece of bread and press down lightly with the back of a spoon. Place sandwich ingredients and cover with second piece of bread. Add attachment part and close the lid. Press down. Gently tear excess bread from the edges. Place stencil on character shaped sandwich and sift cocoa to add details. And you end up with Millennium bread. Tasty. Next we have a stealth box, and in the box is two things. We have a Lego Ninjago movie LED light that kicks lightning kick. Pretty cool. A t-shirt, and I love a good t-shirt.
You fell victim to one of the classic blunders.
Inconceivable. It's quite cool. That's a large, and yeah, I think it is. Damn. I think I might change my t-shirt size in this box if I carry on subscribing. Lovely 007 licensed product, and the Lotus Esprit S1 from The Spy Who Loved Me, and that's a nice little metal keychain. It's the Lotus from Bond film, the submarine, Lotus submarine. Really good quality, pretty cool, I like it. And last but not least, we have a stealth fidget spinner. Now at my age, we were allowed to be bored when we were kids, so I don't really need this fidget spinner, but I've never quite understood what they are. So yes, that was the stealth box. There's also the obligatory label which tells you everything you get in there. So what do I think of a box? So for 35 quid, it's well worth it, I think. Things might not be to everyone's taste, but they are the only subscription box where you can actually return the box if you aren't happy with it, which I think is, well, it just speaks for the quality of the products inside. The stuff inside there is made by RDP, who make a lot of merchandise for cinemas. So when anything's being given away for a film, it's quite often made by RDP. So it is top quality stuff. They own the rights to a lot of film franchises, so you can expect to see some exciting things within the box. I think it's well worth picking up. Next month's, I believe, is a horror theme, so I'll be getting that one, see what that's like. I don't think I'll be able to afford any more after that, so that might be my last box, but I will do an unboxing video for that as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you around. Bye!